rainy day. So I'm in a Bible study here in Alaska, and for women we pray and we're reading 12 Extraordinary Women, and the first one was Eve. In the very first Bible study we talked how Eve had kind of ruined everything and tempted Adam, and I just thought we're really dogging on Eve, the mother of all humans, and I asked, what are some of her strengths? I always like to look on the positive side of everyone, and it changed everything from the Bible study. We started thinking about how resilient she was, how she forgave Adam for throwing her under the bus, blaming her to God for tempting him. It was his choice. He had free will. And the mother of all humans. And she stood by his side. So I love Eve. I love her. I love all women, divine feminine. And I'm glad that we were able to see that it really impacts the way women see themselves, because we are told it's all our fault, we ruined everything, we were disobedient, we're the temptresses, and in many cultures women still seen that way. So I was really glad to see how the women in the Bible study started to see Eve in a new light, and it impacts how you view yourself as a woman and the future generations. Just like Mary Magdalene, she was not a prostitute. Can't wait to talk about her. Thecla's not in there. I love Thecla. So here's to Eve for her courage and resilience, and to keep going. We all make mistakes. We can be forgiven, and she stood by her man and her family. Love you, Eve.